Tenzi wangu ndikutenda zomnondipa zvakawanda hakuna chimwe chandingada ndikatarira chiso changu ndinoona runako rwenyu ndikatarira maoko wangu ndinoona kubata kwenyu Munoshamisa.
I'm fearful one flame mad and this kukansa created in your image and likeness of this kuchansa tudada nezo ndiri tenzi wangu magandinakira as if it wasn't enough jesu wangu maganfira ndinotenda ini anything chandolava munondipa ini your precious blood brought us victory in the newness of life in resurrection shuwa makanaka imi kuwana just kuwana everything andina chandoleka handifambi nega cause makandibereka I love you like forever even faith ikasheka
Runa mwenye rudi cheka mziwa mumofeka chiso changu ndinoona runako rwenyu ndikatarira maoko wangu ndinoona kubata kwenyu
Righteousness eluded me, perception was a ghost. I wandered through deception, trying to reach what made at most. But mercy found the ribbon, wrote redemption on my name. I tried to paint perfection on a canvas made of shame. I spoke with empty echoes, I sang to an applause. Deeper than behavior was a heart that broke the law. The culture labeled me a misfit and called me out quick. I was chasing validation from a world that couldn't see. I could talk about the fame, money, women, and the cause. Rather talk about His grace, nail marks in Him scores. His grace is amazing, insufficient. His love is unconditional. Munoshamisa, let's go.
chiso changu